Hey guys, what's up? This is ProWolfTrader. You watching live stream in New York session. ADP just came out, and right before 2 minutes of ADP, Fed Kashkari said, "I believe now is the time to slowly moving interest rate up." Before that, gold just straight went up $100 without any reason. There is no news, nothing anywhere except that the IRGC is saying that it has not agreed to any ceasefire or talks with the US or anybody, and all these statements are false, hence hinting towards a manipulative fake news scenario in which the gold came up somewhere around 4200, but now after what the Fed Kashkari, I think they are doing everything to making sure that the interest rate is fixed rated. Inflation is the problem. They're trying to control the inflation without hiking interest rate, and trust me, the move we got right now is equivalent to a rate cut. So if you're seeing this upward move right now, it means the Fed through artificially means have done a rate cut and now expect a pullback down, because we are still on the higher time frame. We are still in a downtrend, given that 4200 is a crucial area, and above this we only will move if we have a confirmation that there is a official ceasefire, and apart from that, Hormuz is open, but Hormuz is still closed. See, there are more news coming in that some security channels are reporting there is a incident in the Red Sea. Reportedly, oil container or ship is hit, and IDF is bombing Lebanon. So we have news is coming in. So expect this technical to align with the sentiment, because sentiment will come and technical will align with the sentiment. Before today, and since the entire Tokyo, entire London, this upward momentum is unbelievable. As I said that I was on a short and I came out from that short eventually. On break even I just came out, but over here I think I let it run. Over here this account got hit, but other accounts I was managed to, because I was sleeping, right? So no worries. This is, I think, the first trade of this month after, I think, 3 consecutive profitable trades we got. I mean, in a week like this, when we have NFP, unemployment, ADP, it's normal to at least get once or twice. It's SL hit, it's okay. Don't take it too hard on yourself. The main important thing is we respected the key psychological resistance and support area. And if you don't respect that, you will get hit. I have my trades running now. This is a key area. This is a premium signal. So I haven't given any free signal since Monday, and I said there will only be 2 free signals, so here is one for today. So no more signals this week, just 1 free signal on live stream right now. The reason for not giving any more signal is because it's NFP, and I don't want you guys to take unnecessary risk, because normally if you are not in that premium group, I know what you are going through, and I don't know what your equity is, so I will not risk any. Although I know that the trades will hit profitable, but I do know that a lot of people out there, they have really poor risk management and they will open huge lot size. Anyways guys, if you're watching this stream for the first time, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. We have 14% off till 14 August on all premium subscriptions. It's a mega sale. We are celebrating 14 August, Independence Day, so do check it out. And the 15 batch of ProWolfTrader is starting from 1st September, so you guys have 28 days, almost a month, to figure out if you guys want to join it or not. Other than that, let's do a complete analysis what's happening on a higher time frame and on lower time frame. Dollar index was dropping throughout the day, but now we are starting to see it respecting the support area, coming back to crude oil. News is starting to come now that officially, because I've been reading X since morning and I've been reading news that let me read it officially so you guys can also know what's happening. Iran has directly rejected the Axios claim that the US, Iran, Oman have a deal to open the Straits of Hormuz today. They rejected it. That is false news. VIA US announcement declaring that the Straits of Hormuz is closed and the Iran Oman agreement hereby is postponed until they decide they want to start it or not. On the other hand, the Houthis have announced that they have targeted the Saudi oil tanker Wafa within an enclosed number of missiles in the northern Red Sea off the coast of Yonbu, marking with the 8th Saudi Arabian oil tanker being targeted and the total number of Saudi tankers diverted since 22 July to 29 July. Furthermore, information is coming is that Iran from Iranian sources is that Iran will not sign any agreement under any threat. More news coming in at right now that the Iranian state media has pushed back on President Trump's claim that the Strait of Hormuz could reopen soon today, saying any Iran-Oman agreement is not linked to the immediate reopening of Straits of Hormuz. And they also warned that the Hormuz will remain closed if the US tries to spread false information and threats and keep attacking Iran. Okay. So this is the news by far. This is the new. And there's one more thing. According to the Wall Street Journal, Iran has made a few additional demands for opening the Straits of Hormuz under Iranian management in partnership with Oman. I don't know if this is actually way early this morning. After this news, we got a lot of news that is fake. Yeah, so this was all the fake news, and the latest news is that Iran has rejected any direct agreement, ceasefire, everything with Iran is saying that any agreement which is being done right now with Oman has nothing to do with the Straits of Hormuz reopening. So, and right after Fed Kashkari said that I believe now is the time to start moving the rates slowly. They know what they're doing. We'll most likely see a reversal, a rejection, or whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to say it. And I can see the selling pressure coming in. And let it run. I'm gonna go do some stuff. I'll work a little bit. I'm streaming. I'll be back in 15-20 minutes. Till you guys just watch the chart. And hallelujah, baby, we are just about to be profitable. So let's go. Hey guys, I'm back. I went to pray. I'm back. Just give me 1 minute. Then I'll be starting the analysis and everything. And I'm here till Maghrib. Then I'm gonna go pray Maghrib. Okay. So eventually, just give me 1 minute to set things up. Okay, I'm back. So here we are finally. The price is initially dropping. A lot of people ask me that what was the reason behind this. Hey, first of all, hey, why sell, sir? Please explain. Well, the reason for that is because there are several reasons. I think is my stream stuck because I cannot see the buffering. Hello. Why is my stream buffering? Hello. Is my stream clear? Why is what's happening? Yeah. Something is happening. Why is it buffering? There's nothing running in the background. Can you guys hear me? Is my stream clear? It's probably my internet connection. Give it some time. It's gonna get back. It's gonna be normalized. If you are hearing me, just if you can hear me. Yeah, I can see it's buffering. I'm checking on my phone. And he is back. He is back. He's back and it's working now. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's working now. So yeah, yeah, I can see on my mobile phone the stream is okay now, so you guys don't need to worry. So coming back and answering the questions, the first question is Tigard, why sell here, sir? You are, I think you are in the premium subscription group. Go check out the analysis if you haven't. I think I haven't uploaded right now because this is some new. I uploaded the analysis yesterday and the day before that. So this, the price testing 4200 it was unexpected, but it came so it like this happened because of US saying fake news that the price will initially, sorry, the Hormuz was initially reopened, and that didn't happen. Why is the stream so the Hormuz did not open? It was all fake news, and right like just a minute or two before the ADP, we got fed Kashkari saying that I believe now is the time to start slowly moving interest rate up. He's talking about hiking rates. Now also, if you take into consideration the Houthis have hit the Saudi oil containers in the Red Sea, plus Iranian senior source said that the talks between Oman and Iran are not linked with US, and the US is trying to spread fake news regarding the reopening of Hormuz. Hormuz is not reopened and it is still closed, and this is the sentiment, and the sentiment then of course will drive the technicals on the chart, and on the chart of course we are seeing that on a higher time frame we are getting what you call a bearish divergence. Keep in mind the previous divergence over here, this was what do you say, a hidden bearish divergence, but right now we have a clear normal divergence. At least we expect the price to drop till 4050 or 4080 area, and this is exactly where our take profits are put. I haven't marked my take profits, so let me do that right now. Give me a sec. I was praying, I forgot to put the levels, so let me put take profits on each levels, and I'll be right there. Okay, so here we have our take profit levels. I hope these help. Yeah, just waiting for the divergence to do what it does. Bitcoin is starting to drop down. S&P 500, Nasdaq are dropping. Probably 6 minutes away from Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange to open. Dollar index is trying to climb up. Crude oil is struggling, but it's still above 75, so it's a alarm. And what did you say, sir? क्या SL क्या है? SL क्या है? क्या रखना चाहिए भाई? SL आप अपने हिसाब से रखो. मैंने तो स्विंग ट्रेड खोली हुई है भाई. मेरा आज क्योंकि ADP है, ADP की वजह से मैंने जो है वो स्टॉप लॉस रखा हुआ है 200 से लेके 300 पिप्स के बीच रखा हुआ है मैंने अपने रिस्क एपेटाइट के हिसाब से, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि ये अगर ये ड्रॉप तो होगा, और अगर हुआ ड्रॉप तो यकीनन ये बहुत नीचे जाएगा. कितना जाएगा नहीं पता, लेकिन होपफुली मुझे 1000 पिप की मूव तो नज़र आ रही है आराम से, कहीं नहीं गया 1000 पिप. अगर मैं सिर्फ इसको 4100 तक भी कर दूँ ना, तो 4100 तक 1000 पिप है, ठीक है. और उसके बाद मज़ीद जो है वो 500 पिप्स नीचे है, मज़ीद 1000, मतलब 2000 पिप की मूव मुझे नज़र आ रही है. अब ये नहीं पता कि ये 2000 की पिप की मूव जो है ये फ्राइडे तक आएगी या क्या पता, सिर्फ थर्सडे तक हो जाए, क्योंकि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्लेम्स भी है, 100 चीज़ें हो रही हैं, ठीक है. तो हर चीज़ को जहन में रख के ये देखना पड़ेगा. लेकिन इन ऑल ये तो है कि भाई हम आ गए हैं 42 पे. अब यहाँ से या तो मज़ीद ऊपर जाएंगे या मज़ीद नीचे जाएंगे. मज़ीद नीचे जाने के पूरा सेटअप शो कर रहा है, क्योंकि अगर इसके और ऊपर गया तो उसके पीछे वजह यही होनी चाहिए कि US सीज़ फायर हो गया है ईरान के बीच, मगर ऐसा होते हुए कुछ नज़र नहीं आ रहा है. उल्टा हमें खबरें आ रही हैं कि ईरान ये कह रहा है कि भाई जो बातें हो रही हैं हॉर्मोज़ के खोलने की, वो सब गलत हैं. ईरान से ओमान से पर्सनल लेवल पे बातचीत कर रहा है, और उसका ताल्लुक़ US से और किसी चीज़ से नहीं है. इस न्यूज़ को जो नहीं है फेक न्यूज़ में फैलाया गया वॉल स्ट्रीट पे, और इस फैलाने की वजह यही होती है ताकि स्टॉक मार्केट हो जाए, मेटल्स हो गए, ये रिकवर हो जाए. लेकिन अब जो है वो क्या बोलते हैं, इतना नहीं कह सकते कुछ भी कि क्या है. SL क्या है भाई? मैं फिर बोल रहा हूँ, SL आप अपने हिसाब से रखो, मुझसे क्या पूछ रहे हो. मैं 200 पिप रखता हूँ SL, 200 पिप दूर होता है मेरा. अब वो तुम अपने हिसाब से रखो जैसा तुम्हें अच्छा लगे. अब ये जो मुझे ये पता है कि ये जो 4 आवरली टाइम फ्रेम विल इनिशियली ड्रॉप. Where it will drop, I don't know, but it will close in red. And once this 4 hourly closes red, the next 4 hourly will initially will be dropping now. Just waiting for everything. Hey, what's up? Ilham Nature. Hey, what's up? Stop loss 200 pips, 200 somewhere around here. I don't know what suits you, but my stop loss is sitting somewhere 20, 42, 30, 42, 25, somewhere in between. Market is the US stock market is about to open, so we will get market imbalance data. We are about to get US market imbalance, so keep an eye on that. S&P 500 and Nasdaq opened on the buy side. But there is a price on Nasdaq is there's a strong resistance at this area. I'm seeing a strong selling happening on Nasdaq 100 on MNQ futures, because the fear of AI spending is still really high, and that's what I'm looking at currently. Just AMD shares are falling. Trust me, I know this is a really uncomfortable area to open a sell, but I have no logical explanation. Go on a higher time frame and just have a conversation with yourself that will it be logical to buy at 4200. I don't think so. There are chances that it might do a fake out, but I don't want to take any risk, because I see a lot of order books where sell orders were sitting around this area, and everything got triggered, and right after Fed Kashkari statement, oh, and stocks are dropping. SpaceX shares are dropping, biggest drop since IPO. Everything is dropping now. Holy shit, SpaceX dropped a lot. Dang. By the way, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Currently, we have a 14% off on Independence sale, and on all the premium plans, starting from monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. And the sale is valid till 14th August, so do check them out. And the 15th batch of ProWolfTrader is starting from 1st September. Also check that out. Right now, we are all just waiting for the price to initially do its thing, and it's gonna do its thing. Expect this 4-hourly candle to just annoy us at this area. I see the stock market is dropping. When the stock market drops, the Bitcoin drops. When the stock market drops, the Bitcoin drops. The dollar index goes up, followed by crude oil going up, followed by gold and silver dropping down. There's a correlation. We have to see if the correlation is working or not. Let me post the link for Telegram and Discord, so whoever is new can join. Here is Discord. Join Discord. To be honest, and if you want to subscribe to me, you can message me on Telegram, but let me post both. But Discord, join Discord. That's where I'm much more. But also be careful. There are a lot of scammers out there, so I will never add you, message you, or anything. Beware. Other than that, everything is calm, cool, and calm. A lot of people are saying that gold has a big breakout above 4200, but I'm still saying we have unemployment and NFP left. Hey, what's up, Bishwashraj? Hey, what's up, man? Just waiting now. Just waiting for the price to fade below 4200, down to 4290, 4190, 4180, 4170, and then the price will keep on fading slowly. Today is a big day. Regard to just right before the New York Open, we got 1000 pips move up, and almost 800 pips, sorry. And now we are seeing a pullback to where we started from. Most likely we will be within the area of key psychological support area of 4010, 4050, somewhere in between that. There we will be there over like in a couple of 4 hourly candles. Most likely within next 12 or 14 hours, 15 hours, we will be going down. Sell target, I don't know. Realistic sell targets for people intraday trading are marked in front of your screens. 4164, next level is 4125, then 4109. Realistic targets. And if you want to hold this swing, then they are huge. They are really huge. But I'm not gonna tell them you. I can only give you 4 huge swing targets. That is 4050 and 4110. These two are huge sell targets. You see this over here. First area of initial swing take profit is 4109. Then we are sitting at 4050. Price will definitely hit these areas because US has again lied to all of us that they're doing an agreement with Iran. It's not happening. It's just a fake news. Market just moved up on this fake sentiment that Oman is in talks with Iran regarding the US-Iran ceasefire, and like a couple of hours ago, IRGC stated that the senior Iranian source said we are not in talks with US or anybody. We are doing some one-on-one Oman-Iran agreements just for the maritime traffic control regarding that in the Hormuz, nothing else. Hormuz is still closed. Only those ships are passing which are in good terms with Iran, mostly China, Malaysia, and other vessels which are paying toll and passing through Hormuz. And right now Kashkari wants to hike the rate, and let me tell you what will happen. Panic will start. This Kashkari, I wrote it down over here. This is a huge thing. First what will happen is there's gonna be panic because he mentioned, keep in mind that these wordings that he said it's time to start slowly moving interest rates up. He did not use the word by saying rate hike because he knows that if he used that word, it's going to be a panic. So he And besides this, Bicent also said that he will do whatever it takes to support JPY. And New York's what do you say? Fed members they said this yesterday, that no financial stability can be seen from AI investments. That AI investments, they are not a guaranteed. Plus, Citadel is a financial company. Ken Griffin from Citadel, he posted best month in years after scooping up situational awareness stocks. Now, this is something which they are stating, that since they mentioned moving the interest rate up, is finally time for the market to drop, and once people start buying and the stock market starts dropping, those who are buying, it's their loss that they bought when the market reversed. This is what do you say? Ken Griffin's post, that whoever is buying when the stock market is about to reversal, it's their loss. Even gold spiked today. Yes, it did. And this is something huge. Let's look at the global news. Trump administration plans to expand tax intensive for employers offering paid family leave. Okay. Let's leave something. Trump on Truth Social. Wayne County, Detroit, Michigan is one of the most corrupt. He's just local stuff. SpaceX shares shrink by 12%, erasing $205 billion in market value. Holy fucking shit. This is not good news. S&P 500 and Nasdaq are really struggling. And Houthis are still attacking the ships in the in the Red Sea. Goldman Sachs to payroll. Okay, I'm just reading the news. This is what I do. Okay, so here is this news article which was posted just about half an hour ago, that US-Iran deal odds remain uncertain. A senior Gulf official told CNN there is a 50-50 chance the US and Iran reach a deal by Friday, despite President Trump's suggesting an agreement is closed. Trump said talks were progressing well, but warned the US would strike again Iran really hard if it walks away. Iran continues to deny direct talks with Washington, saying discussions are only taking place through Oman on Straits of Hormuz navigation. Diplomats say reopening the waterway could pave the way for further negotiation. Okay, just some normal news, nothing special. IDF says attacks are in progress. Okay. Launches strikes in southern Lebanon. Italian Minister Affairs. Okay. Just fake news. I'm just gonna sit with I can see the silver dropping. I have a couple of trades running on silver, on Bitcoin, so I pretty much know what's cooking. It's just a couple of few hours where you get manipulated, and then everything else will follow. There was a really big resistance. By the way, there's a really big resistance at 43.66, but just saying, okay. And one thing I want to say is that right when the stock market was near all-time high, gold also came somewhere between 4,200. All of a sudden, Kashkari wants some correction in inflation. He mentioned about slowly moving the interest rate up. Right about around this, he did not mention this when things were really bad. Now there is one more thing that the 4 hourly will fade away. 4 hourly will slowly fade away. Okay. Silver is dropping, followed by gold. All eyes on gold. First take profit 41.64, second take profit 41.25, third take profit 41.09, fourth take profit 40.50. Keep in mind 40.50 is my personal take profit. It has nothing to do with anybody. It's my own take profit. Just watch the price drop down just like it went up, and everybody will start panicking. 800 pips up, 1000 pips down, and then tomorrow we got unemployment claims, and the market will be in sideways range till Friday. Right today we will get huge volume, huge numbers. Tomorrow the market will pretty much be dead, sideways, dropping, and then Friday we will see some momentum. The market is dead now. The market will only drop because after what Fed Kashkari said, zero buy volume. He mentioned about moving the interest rate up. Not in anybody's right mind on the Wall Street they would be buying above 4200 after what Kashkari said. But I can be wrong. Time will say. But not my analysis on point. Inflation is still a concern. He still wants to put inflation numbers down, and it's only possible if they hike. And right now all the situations are, we are getting a comfortable environment for a hike, in short. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm back. I went to grab something to eat. I'm hungry. I didn't eat anything. How's the gibberish? Hey, what's up, man? How's the gibberish? I'm fine, man. How are you? I'm fine. But the market is not. There's a panic right now starting to fill in. I can see on the order books, on the book map, futures book map, I see a lot of panic going on. I have a really busy day today. I have to stream, I have to work, then I have to then hit gym, I then have to come back and start this work again. So keep that in your mind that I'll be gone and after an hour or two. Maybe I go to the gym early today because I need to come back and work. Maybe I'm still on because this 4 hourly will be read in a couple of hours, approximately after 2 hours, and then next 4 hourly candle forms up. I'll be here. I want to be here and stream. That's why. You know, the easiest part we done. We opened the trade. Now the hardest part, if the trade goes profitable, we just have to wait. But what if the trade goes the other way? But what if? Remove what if. Be positive. Trust your analysis. Rubio is saying something. Check it out. One minute for ISM services PMI, and let's see what the market takes us. 10 seconds. Lower than forecast. As in Nasdaq is dropping hard. Now is the manipulation time. Well, what can I say? Let them buy. Everybody is buying in a downtrend. It's just like for the past 2 years, whenever the price dropped down, people who sold got wrecked, including me. In the beginning, when I didn't learn, it's the other way around. 4209. Just testing the waters, I guess. Okay, a bit of price movement upwards, 4216, 4220. I don't know what's trying to do. I don't know what's trying to accomplish. Anyway, yeah. We shining on the way. Only 2 people are watching me. Come on, man. If I'm in profit only then you guys gonna watch me? Come on, have a big heart. I understand how the world works. Crude is dropping again. Really, brah. Well, the only thing left for us to do is now wait. There is no point on staring the chart now because the market is gonna do exactly what it wants to do. So we just wait and wait. Insane move today, right? It's just ADP from 4072 to 4022. Holy shit, 1700 pips move up now, if I'm right. No, not 17. Am I right? 70. Yeah. If I take today's session, this is yeah. Holy shit. SL is sitting at 42.50, like as if nothing happened. If it hits, I'm gonna take a break and then I'm gonna think what I need to do. Of course, I will not be buying because we are getting double top. We are getting more severe bearish divergence. So I will be cautious about that. There is no news regarding anything. Holy shit, it looks like it's gonna hit 42.50. We have a really strong resistance sitting at 42.50, 42.80. This is going way fucking out of our. This is not something I planned for. But here we are. It's an extreme sold area, extreme selling area. If it goes up, there should be some news. There should be some confirmation regarding the US-Iran without any logical reason. Let's see where the market takes us. The market is taking us for a joyride. A pure joyride. Into the depths of the unknown. It looks like my SL is gonna hit. It looks like it, and I'm gonna take it like a charm. If this SL hits, this will be like 2 SL for this week. And again, I said it's the first week. Expect SLs to be hit because the market doesn't give a fuck about your SL. This looks like it keeps on going up, but one news away from a sellout. But what can we do? We'll just wait for a setup. My setup initiated a sell in an overbought zone, but the price is moving without any logical explanation. Houthis are still hitting ships in Red Sea. We got the data. Kashkari did mention moving interest rate up, and the market is just doesn't wanna do anything, just wanna go up, I guess. Well, what can we say? Nothing. Guess this 4-hourly will close. Then we'll have an understanding what's gonna happen. But I have a feeling that it will hit my SL and then start fading backwards, and then we will see a drop. I have this feeling this might happen. I don't know why I'm having this gut feeling. This happens sometimes, you know. It goes up, hit SL, comes down. Come on, man, it start to fade down, for fuck's sake. Oh my god. This is it, I guess. Yeah, it will fade now. Because the 5 SMA or 400 has broken past the Bollinger Band. And this always results in a sharp drop, and if it looks like what I think it looks like, then we will get a sharp drop to 4170, and then in a couple of hours we will be down somewhere around 4100. If this I think what is happening. Yep. But let's see. Still buying pressure, still selling pressure. Anything can happen. It's one of those days, one of those damn days where things don't go your way, but you need to survive. You need to stay disciplined. You just let your SL cook. Don't move your SL. If you take a hit like a man. Keep in mind, making profit and losing money is part of this game. Be positive, we're gonna find it. In every crisis there's an opportunity. Even in this uptrend there's an opportunity. Once that opportunity is verified, we will take it. As of now, my setup initiated a sell, but ADP and ISM had other plans, and Donald Trump had other plans. Market manipulation at its peak. Expect the price to fade as soon as it hits my stop loss. That's what I think it is. Or maybe it just keeps on going up. But logically speaking, we are on an intraday high, new high since past couple of weeks on gold. So it's time to do a pullback. Let's wait and watch. That stream is not going away this soon. See this? It's trying to reject. Rejection is crucial at this area. 1 hourly, yeah. Only time will tell what's happening. All I can do is just pray. Again, I'm saying we have a normal divergence, bearish divergence time, and everything is according to that divergence. But this over here, see this is slowly making a downward curve. All it needs to do is intersect. All it needs to do is that the red candle on SHM needs to intersect this green candle from bottom to top, and the price will eventually drop to the oversold zone, and over here we will be somewhere around 40-80. That too will take hours and hours, maybe next 8-10 hours. Holy shit. Here is this pump. See, again I said it's gonna hit my SL. Fuck. Well, I'll call it a day then. I don't need to fight the market, I just need to respect the market. I know that it will start fading away once it my SL. But damn, I can't do shit about this. Gold is just extending gains without any logical explanation. It's just checking the news. No news, nothing. Nothing. Well, I'll just let this run till it hit my stop loss. Then I'll close the stream. If you ask me, I'm not feeling good, but it's okay. I've been taking back-to-back profits for last 2 weeks. But this is the first week of the new month. This is my first SL. If it hits for this month, it's okay. Every first 2 weeks, I get at least 1 or 2 SLs, so it is normal for me. I'll be back. I know what the market is trying to do. I'm just waiting for the news. Some kind of and be positive, do your stuff, don't be sad. This 4-hourly will fade. I don't know when, but it will fade. All fingers crossed. The way it's moving, it seems like it's gonna hit 4300 and 4500. But something is not right because there is no news of Hormuz reopening, one news away from a free fall liquidation. Right now, the amount of buyers on this time frame, 4-hourly, I see a huge liquidation event happening somewhere in between today and Friday. Before the NFP, we will get some kind of liquidation, or it might be that we go into a sideways range. Fuck this time frame. Fuck this market. Emotional trader. No. Come on, fade away, fade away. This is so bullshit. This is the bullish bullshit. I'm just gonna wait and watch now because I know what's gonna happen. A huge red ass candle after hitting my SL, huge red ass candle, fucking down to the pits of hell. Oh my god. I'm gonna end the stream after 15 minutes. I'm gonna complete 2 hours of streaming. Today not a nice day. eventually if you see on the chart, nothing is being formed. If I go and look at the chart, uh, clearly there is no divergence. There's only bearish divergence, but no bullish divergence. This over here, blue line is signifying a, wait a second, oh yeah, this is a bullish divergence, but what the hell, this is a bullish divergence. But right over here, I waited for a red candle. That red candle turned out to be a green candle, and I made yeah, no, just around here. Yeah, this green candle. I got confused. This green candle over here. Uh, this not green candle. This green line was because this trend was going down, and it faked out to be a hidden bearish divergence. But then one big candle turned that bearish divergence into nothing. There was no divergence over here, and then the price just went up. This is just me talking with myself, don't worry. So here we are now. This would be a bearish divergence, but only if it goes the way it goes. Yep, I know how it feels like, but trust me, we will get out of this trade. And once we do that, the next trade we will make sure we are good. There are a lot of things that's concerning me, and I just still believe that this is a roller coaster of bullshit, and this roller coaster of bullshit on fake news by US will be falling soon. But guess it made a lot of people profitable today with the fake news. I don't believe in fake news. If I would have, I would be profitable, but for the past 2-3 weeks I'm profitable. There are 1 or 2 days of manipulation, days like this where no news comes and price just moves in a specific way. It's just the market makers positioning market before the NFP, so they do what they do best, make profit. News is just news. The truth will show in interest rate, so I believe then I can sell but do not. Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. The truth is in the interest rate. Fed Kashkari said right now that we slowly need to increase the interest rate, and exactly that's what I'm saying. That's what my sell was based on, but the market did not respect anything. It just kept on going up, and I will wait for further clarity. The truth is in the interest rate, and of course when the NFP numbers will come, we will know what will happen. But as of now, when if Kashkari is meaning to say that we need to slowly increase the rate, then the previous week FOMC, the price went up, right? It's always around FOMC, it goes up, but the real data is the interest rate. Let's just see and whatever. Just around this corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel if you're new. The link for the Telegram and Discord is given in the bio. You can join the 15 batch starting from next month. 1st September, you have whole month to prepare yourself, decide if you want to be in the batch or not. And we have a mega sale, 40% off on all the premium membership. There's a sale right now, and this offer will be valid till 14 August. What you will get is signals, premium signals, 2 to 5 signals in a day, and analysis not just on gold but crude oil, S&P 500, Nasdaq, currencies, and keeping in with up to date of what's happening in the FOMC and interest rate and everything else. Yeah, it's just it will hit it will hit my SL. It's okay. My first SL for the month, and as soon as it hit, it will start to fade away and drop down. Not TP, brother, SL. You're almost at SL. Not TP. uh, his first as his first two trades for this month not going the way I planned, but what can I do? Interest rate will pave the way. It's NFP is the dangerous week after all. We made profits on Monday. We made profits on Tuesday, but not. I think Wednesday is not my day. Today is not my day. He did made Monday, Tuesday, but not today, I guess. It's okay. I still love you. Eh, 90 pips away from SL. If you are on a buy side, T-guard is really good for you. But I believe something is coming, something really big. I will end the stream after 4 minutes. After 2 hours. I will just go and work out and try to distract my mind. This thing is going way heck. It doesn't make sense. There is no news regarding the US Iran Hormuz reopening. It's just market doing its stuff. Interest rate might be, the data of ADP might be hinting that because of the lower data, there is a chance that Fed will pause the rate, and maybe that's why it's going up. Maybe. But we never know. We never know. Hello. Why are you fading now? Why are you dropping now? Why now? Go up. Why you go down? Hit my SL. Hit my SL. Don't do this. No. Fuck this market. Hey, what's up, Jenner? Today evening class was a lot of guys were not present at the evening class, so because of whatever reason, I think work days or something, and some guys had some emergency, so I like give an hour or so, then I stopped it. Eventually tomorrow same time it will be conducted. Hey, what's up, Jen? Morning session is on time, evening session on time. And in just about 12 to 15 days, this batch will be complete, inshallah. And then everybody will be good. Everything will be good. I'm checking the news, seeing what happens. If there's anything happening right now. A ship has been hit in Bab-e-Mandab near Yemen. Iran has rejected the XAUUSD report that the US-Iran-Oman deal is open. Okay. Same but different. I believe this is an hour of redemption. I thus still can't believe how can just gold can just straight away, Actually, there's a reason. Over here, there was bullish divergence. Right over here, it made a fake bearish divergence, which rarely happens. But I got suckered into believing this was working. I should have waited for another 4 hourly, but that's why I did not waited, because it was already too late and I got in, and then this 4 hourly break broke above and I got suckered in. If I would have let my buy trade yesterday that I took profit early running, we'll be sitting over here, but I guess I should have holded my buy trade over here yesterday for longer, but it's okay. I took the profit at the end of the day. It was not initially going to be held for 2-3 days, so it's alright. And I did mention the hardest thing was to hold up this buy trade when you're in profitable, so that's understandable. Hey, slowly, friend. Guys, are you here? Do you want that I keep the stream running or I just close it and go? Because I wanna go pray Maghrib namaz and then I think I'll hit the gym and then I'll back when I start working. Like analyzing other stuff, watching news, doing my on work. I probably trade futures. I did trade futures actually. The stock market is dropping, S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 are dropping, and then whenever that happens we see a sell side pressure on silver and gold. I don't see any movement happening on gold, but I do know something is coming up. This was my clue. This was the clue for holding the buy for longer, but I did not. You should have listened. Now it's gonna retest this area. It's one thing for certain, this thing area will be retested. No matter you like it or not, I'm starting to see sell side pressure coming in. I hope it does, just so I can be done with. Okay guys, it's been more than 2 hours of live streaming, so I'll call it a day. Today was not a good day. It's a new month, first week, NFP week. It's not necessary things will go my plan, the way I plan it to be, but it's alright. We'll find our trade. We were profitable last 2 weeks, consistent. In the first week when I was not streaming, I was able to hit one SL, and the other SL I hit during my live stream. So, and this is another 2 trade, one in the Tokyo session and one right now. This trade hasn't hit its stop loss, only one trade has in the Tokyo session due to this buy side pressure. So, by the way, Nasdaq 100 is dropping, so I have concerns now. But in all, nothing should make sense now for those who are new. I'm just waiting. Okay, guys, I think I'll go because S&P 500 Nasdaq is dropping, but I don't know what the fuck is wrong with gold and silver. They just don't even want to go down. I guess I have to call IRGC, and tell them to, hit some oil tankers in Hormuz. Nathan now, Nathan now is talking some fucking bullshit, fucking ass. Okay, I'll do a challenge. I'll sit here till my SL get hits. As soon as my SL get hits, I'll shut the stream off. Today was one of those days where I made a minor mistake. This bullish divergence was still intact, and in market fucking faked out for me and straight went up, suckered me in. Now I see a divergence forming. It's still forming on the Scotch bearish divergence, but holy shit, I need confirmation, man. I need some confirmation up there. I need some new sentiment. I need something, but I'm getting nothing. 100 pips away from myself. Come on, hit already. Okay guys, I'm just switching the stream off. It doesn't make sense. I'll be back soon, I think, in Tokyo session, and then we'll see what happens. As of now, I see nothing in the news, just data doing its thing. Okay, I'll see you guys in the Tokyo session. Till then, take care of yourself. This is ProWolfTrader signing off.